Brad Williams, Frugal Finance, Investing. From time to time, there are issues between you as a consumer and perhaps a third party. It could be a brokerage firm, it could be a broker or some other representative, and there's a conflict. What do you do? Well, within FINRA, the regulator within the securities industry, they have a arbitration and mediation process. This section of FINRA.org is dedicated to helping investors and other FINRA constituents understand how to navigate our two dispute resolution service of arbitration and mediation. Our goal is to provide appropriate guidance to help you resolve your disputes, as well as set realistic expectations regarding our arbitration and mediation process, including timelines, fees, and how to find an attorney. Constituents can file an arbitration claim and or request mediation through FINRA Dispute Resolution Services when they have a dispute involving the business activities of a brokerage firm or one of its brokers and are seeking monetary or other relief. In most instances, to be considered for arbitration or mediation, the alleged act resulting in a claim must have taken place within the past 6 years. However, arbitrators may find that there is a continuing occurrence or event giving rise to this dispute. For example, although a customer purchased stock 10 years ago, there are allegations of ongoing fraud starting with the purchase, but continuing to a date within 6 years of the date the claim was filed. While in most instances, attorneys will be present in both arbitration and mediation, the outcomes are not decided by a court of law. Arbitration cases are decided by independent arbitrators who are chosen by the parties to issue final binding decisions. Arbitration is a compulsory process requiring FINRA members to answer claims. In mediation, parties jointly select an independent mediator who assists the parties in reaching a negotiated resolution. Mediation is voluntary and both sides must agree before a session can commence. Separately, constituents may file a complaint through FINRA's Investor Complaint Center to alert FINRA Regulator Department to potential fraudulent or suspicious activities by brokerage firms or brokers. Filing an investor complaint does not preclude you from filing a separate arbitration or mediation case with FINRA Dispute Resolution Services. The process is straightforward. I'll have videos on all this stuff, but this is just an introduction if you're in a situation where the only way to settle is through arbitration and mediation. Comment if you've been down this road. Any helpful tips, hints, the cost? Did you resolve the issue in the end? Did you find that it just wasn't worth the time? Or yes, it was worth the time and you're happy with the results? Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helped. See you soon.